ഹായ് ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, എയ്സൽ മീഡിയയിലേക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 10ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ വേൾഡ് ഇൻ ദ 20th സെഞ്ച്വറി എന്ന അധ്യായത്തിൻ്റെ ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളുടെ 2ാം ഭാഗവുമായിട്ടാണ്. നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. Explain the causes and effects of the worldwide economic crisis in 1929 which originated in USA. The United States of America was not affected by the war. Hence, the European nations managed to get loans from the USA. Consequently, American dollar overtook British pound as the basis of foreign exchange. America emerged as the new world economic power. The people who were bankrupted by the war were unable to buy goods. Goods were kept unsold in factories. European nations failed to repay their debts to the USA. Banks collapsed. Inflation became uncontrollable. Acute unemployment and poverty. To overcome this crisis, the European nations adopted a strategy of imposing heavy taxes on the colonies. Next question. Fascism was a product of the First World War. Do you agree? The First World War devastated both the Allies. Many European governments lost their power. People were in misery. Unemployment, poverty, and inflation gnawed their entire system. Fascism came to power by exploiting this political uncertainty. Fascism in Italy, known as Nazism in Germany. Economic destruction, rivalry against the victors, aimlessness of governments, etc. facilitated these forces to grab power. What are the characteristics of fascism? Antagonism to democracy, opposition to socialism, glorifying the nation, adoring the purity of race, justifying war, diffusion of aggressive nationalism, deifying the past, indoctrination of ideologies through arts, literature, and education, military dictatorship, and destruction of political rivals. All these were the characteristics of fascism. What are the circumstances under which the fascist party came to power in Italy? Italy got nothing, though she was with the victors in the First World War. Post-war destruction of industries, unemployment, increase in tax, inflation, etc. kept people away from the government. Industrialists, in fear of Italy moving to socialism, were prompted to support fascism. Next question. What were the features of Mussolini's rule that seized power in Italy? Dictatorial measures were taken in the political and economic sectors. Violence and ferocity were the strategies of the fascists. Socialists and leaders of peasants and workers were proclaimed as enemies of the nation. Those who opposed the fascist party were executed. The aim of Mussolini was to restore ancient Roman Empire. He adopted several symbols of ancient Roman administration. Using his military force, the black shirts, Mussolini suppressed the opponents through fascist policies. His aggressive foreign policy led him to conquer nations like Ethiopia, Albania, etc. Italy's run for dictatorship paved the way for the outbreak of another war. Next question. What are the factors that helped Hitler, the leader of Nazi party, came to power in Germany? The Treaty of Versailles imposed by the victorious Allies on Germany after the First World War. Economic destruction and inflation, failure of German government, and the resultant political uncertainty. Hitler's oratory skills and organizational abilities easily succeeded in gaining popular support. Hence, he dismissed the government and captured power and became the ruler of Italy. Next question. What were the features of Hitler's rule in Germany? Socialists, communists, Jews, and Democrats were executed. Hitler held the Jews responsible for Germany's ruin and humiliation. Jews were massacred en masse in specially built concentration camps. This is known as Holocaust. A military force, brown shirts, and the secret police troop Gestapo were in charge of assaulting and massacring the Jews. Hitler projected the purity of the Aryan race and argued that Aryans should rule the world. He defied the Aryan ancestry of the Germans. All other political parties except the Nazis were banned. Trade unions also were banned. Military services was made compulsory. Hitler incited a spirit of revenge among the Germans against the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. He used newspapers, radio, cinema, and education systems widely to propagate the ideologies of Nazism. Hitler adopted an aggressive foreign policy. He attacked Austria and Czechoslovakia. Germany formed alliance with Italy and Japan. It was opposed by other countries. Ultimately, this led to the outbreak of another world war. What were the causes of the Second World War? Treaty of Versailles, formation of military alliances, failure of League of Nations, the emergence of fascism and Nazism, policy of appeasement, economic crisis, and the immediate cause that attack on Poland. Causes of the Second World War in detail. Second World War that lasted from 1939 to 1945. Following the peace treaty of Paris in 1919, the victorious nations shared the colonies of the defeated nations. Neither Germany nor Italy had any colony or market. Italy and Germany planned to conquer colonies and attack weak nations. Formation of alliances. Axis powers and allied powers were the two alliances formed in that time. Axis powers Italy, Germany, and Japan. Allied powers Britain, France, and China. The League of Nations failed to stop the attacks of the Axis powers. When Germany, Italy, and Japan attacked other nations, capitalist countries like Britain and France did not prevent the attacks. They considered Soviet Union, being a socialist country, as their chief enemy. This policy, which encouraged fascist attack, is known as the policy of appeasement. On 1st September 1939, Germany attacked Poland. This prompted the Allied nations to declare war against Germany that ultimately resulted in the outbreak of the Second World War on 3rd September 1939.
ഈ എപ്പിസോഡ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഈ ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്താൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കി ഭാഗങ്ങൾ ഞാൻ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന നിമിഷം തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്കതിൻ്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.